Nature, and I am back with another video. So today we are doing skincare. I'm going to give you guys the scoop on my skincare, how I get this nice, beautiful glow. I'm also using some Black-owned skincare products. I'm gonna just get to the video. I'm not gonna talk too much. All I'm gonna tell you is turn on your post notifications, subscribe to my channel right now, cause what? I got the what content coming for you. The what? I hear you. Let's go. So we got the vibe real nice. I got my fountain going. I hope y'all hear that in the background. I'm in my living room feeling nice and cute. Got my onesie. I'm a cow. Okay. I'm a cow. Okay, so yeah, so today I'm going to be showing out my aloe vera mask. And it's basically not even really anything. It's basically just rub some aloe vera on your face. I feel like that's super duper easy. Honestly, aloe vera is so moisturizing and so healing. I feel like if you have cuts or if you have anything going on, heal it with aloe vera. Oh, it's so good. So I'm just gonna rub this on my face, and this is the first thing I'm gonna do. I feel like this just feels good. And I just rub this on my face. I have really dry skin, lips, everything, y'all. Everything is dry. So I just rub it, you know, just, and this feels so good. I feel like this right here is like a natural facial. Is this a facial? Can this be considered a facial, guys? I don't know. Oh, it feels so good. Y'all. After I do this mask, I'm basically gonna leave this on for a little while, maybe like 5 minutes. I'm gonna basically do my entire skincare routine because I'm gonna be showing y'all some new products, and I kind of want to enjoy this, I'm not gonna lie, because I feel like whenever you're doing your skincare routine, I feel like it's a really enjoying thing. So I'm gonna really get into this and just enjoy this moment. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell you guys how I feel about this new product that I've been using. It's called Sapphire's Daughter. Yes. So I'm using this Beldy black soap, and I'm using, she has this butter, and it's made with all different types of butter. And I don't even know if there's shea butter in here, but it's all different types of butter. And I was like, wow, that's really cool. Like, she got all the butters, like all the butters. And then this is like a sugar scrub, and it's actually really gentle. And I was like, wow, like, awesome. I'm excited. So I'm about to get into the video, and I'm gonna take that Beldy black soap and place it on top of my face and rub it in. Then I'm gonna use a little bit of some water I have in a bowl and kind of like lather a little bit. Then I'm gonna take some of her sugar scrub, and I'm gonna place that on top. She told me to do this, and it's been working for me ever since. And I'm just gonna kind of scrub. Y'all, this feels so good. I just had to let y'all know. Let me just let you know. This feels so good. Yes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that scrub and soap off my face. And then get a dry towel and dry it off. Get some witch hazel. You can use any witch hazel, and some cotton rounds. And basically, this is gonna be like a toner, and I'm gonna tone my face and kind of dry up any bumps that I have. Clear out the dirt. And then I'm gonna use the butter that she has And I'm gonna wipe that into my skin. But so the key is to warm it up on your hands, get it nice and warm, and then blend it. And I feel like it blends a lot better, and it's just really nice and supple. Like, my skin is really, really soft, y'all. It feels so good. I gave myself a face massage. Make sure you do upward motions, upward motions. And I'm gonna grab some Vaseline for my lips because my lips stay dry. But I honestly really like it. I feel like I went through a facial. Like, everything just felt like a massage. I was just like working it in. I just felt like honestly, every time I do this, I'm just like, yes. Like, so y'all need to go get y'all some Sapphire Starter. It is organic. It is just good for you. Like, honestly, truly. Like, I really like this sugar scrub. This is like the first sugar scrub I've ever used on my face, and I thought that I couldn't even use sugar scrubs on my face. Y'all see my face right now? Hold up real quick. Y'all see my face right now? Y'all see my face? The skin don't lie. The skin don't lie, y'all. And I got my hair out. And I got my hair out. Natural hair coming through. Y'all, okay, so I just want to shout out someone. Hold up, give me a second. All right, y'all, so I want to shout out lovely Trina from YouTube, because I feel like we're now YouTube buddies, and I just wanted to say shout out to you for becoming a part of my post notification army, but also shout out to you for making me really want to wear my natural hair. Shout out to her videos are awesome. Like, I didn't even do my hair yet, but just wait. I'm definitely gonna have to, like, you know, practice, you know what I'm saying, because she does this really cool method, but y'all gonna have to go to her channel to find out what the method is. I didn't do it yet, but just know the method is good. The method is good. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Alright, because we got content coming, okay? We got all the content coming, okay? Because I am Gaia. Gaia! Y'all, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe! Bye!